question?
No, sir.
Anything illegal in the car? Guns, drugs, anything like that?
Cannot make this up. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing a night POV drive in the boosted Z. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, my Z is boosted. Oh, there's my lip. Good thing I came back here. My Z is rear mount turbo, connected to a Tome. This is probably going to be the only talking I'm going to be doing in this video. This whole video is going to be turbo noises, pulls, you know, just a sick POV drive for you guys. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start it up.
A few moments later.
That's CTSV? Yes, it is. Okay. I guess. Give me a roll, fool. This dude obviously doesn't know what he's doing, bro. I'll just get off. He's not gonna race. He's gonna make me chase him. I'm not gonna miss my exit. That's the thing that sucks when you run into pretty fast cars and they just don't know how to race. They'll just like take off on you. Oh well. I was not about to miss my exit over a dude that's not even gonna race me. Would have been dope though. I never raced a CTSV. Oh yeah, I forgot. I said that I wasn't gonna talk during this video. My bad, guys. What is this dude on my ass for, bro? You driving a Focus. What are you doing? Something's coming in hot. Is it a fast car? Oh, he's coming in hot hot. What the fuck? Of course. Of course. Those are my people. Straight 5 EQs. Why'd he slow down for? Watch him try to race me, bro. I've had one of those try to race me before. What did I tell you? What the fuck? I can't make this up, bro. Damn, that thing did not go anywhere. Bro, I'm gonna go get my dad's G37 and gap you. No, I'm just kidding. I was gonna take off. So you can see the turbo. Wow, he's turning. I was gonna take off, but did he turn?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I didn't hear it.
Let him show why I didn't race him. Yeah, I'm not a normal 350Z, bro. Sorry to break it to you. Oh, he turned around. Oh, I made him think a U-turn. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are daily encounters when you drive a boosted Z. That doesn't look too much boosted besides the fact that the bumper isn't on. Dude, I ended up saying that I wasn't going to talk throughout this video, but I ended up talking, so I'm sorry if you guys did not want to hear my voice. Sorry. That's literally like the third G37 or G35 sedan that tries to race me in this. Like, I cannot make this up, bro. Like, why do you guys want to race me so bad? You could race me my Q50 though. It'd be a way better race. Speaking about that car, I need to fix that car. And low key, I might buy another car soon, guys. Maybe. Sheesh, got the Honda boys out. Bro, don't tell me trying to race me too. Look, he's squatting. The car's squatting. What the fuck? Why is everybody confusing me for a freaking stock 350Z today, bro? Sure about the Q50 today. I could have faded all these dudes up. on the freeway. Thank you. Alright, now that I did that, I hope they leave me alone. We're all getting on the freeway. Alright, I'm gonna try to kill a normal human being now. Whoa, he's about to cut me off. What is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Bro, oh, he's gonna get in an accident. Come on, bro. There's this homie about to pull up. Thank you, bro. He was cool. Passed the vibe check. I was just about to do something stupid too. We got a Federale right there, bro. Dang, bro, that was about to be all bad. I was literally telling you, like, I'm about to brake boost hard so you can feel like the car spin. And then I seen that. Thank God. Woohoo!
A few moments later.
Probably no bumper.
You have a license plate to the front of the vehicle and then your exhaust is modified, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Have driver's license on you, dude?
Yes, sir.
No parole or probation?
No, sir.
Ever been arrested?
No, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Where are you heading to?
My home. It's like
Oh.
2 minutes down there that way.
You said never been arrested?
No.
Driver's license valid?
Yes, sir.
You ever have any tickets or anything like that?
I did have a ticket for. What was that one for? I think the car was too low or something like that.
Oh, okay.
From Martin Valley.
Nothing criminal?
No.
Okay,
Something
no.
like that.
You still live on
Yeah, it's literally like 2
anything
minutes.
illegal in the car, guns, drugs, anything like that?
No.
Alright, dude. You have a good night. Just keep in mind you might get stopped for stuff like that, but keep up the cooperation and you'll be on your way, okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright, dude.
Appreciate it.
Have a good night.
Alright, you too. I cannot make this up, bro. Shout out to that cop. Cannot make this up. Guys, I cannot make this up. I can literally not make this up right now, guys. I'm shaking. I seen the cop pulled over on the side. I was like, dude, no way. He pulled out right after me. You guys heard what he said, dude. And my point proven. If you're nice to a cop, if you're cooperative, you know, like you're super cool about everything, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get let go, dude.
Unless the cop is really addicted.
Yeah, but that dude was super cool, bro. Shout out to you. I could have went south real quick, dude. That's a lesson, bro. It's funny though, because I'm gonna drop off my lift ticket painted tomorrow. That's insane. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Wow. Oh man. Literally still shaking. I really thought that was gonna go south, bro. It's funny though, because today I went to go paint my lip at a shop and I ended up just bringing it back. I'm gonna take it somewhere else tomorrow. Pretty much one of the last days that this car is bumperless and this happens. I wish I would have recorded it like when I actually got pulled over, like with the lights, or at least like a picture with the lights behind it. But I was just honestly kind of nervous. I was scared that I was gonna get ref, bro, because I've never been pulled over with no bumper and my huge freaking Canon. My daughter making an appearance on the vlog. But yeah, guys, it's super funny how I literally went to take my lip to get painted today, which meant that this was probably gonna be the last time that I was gonna drive it with bumperless. And this happens. It's crazy, bro. Legit, I really thought I was gonna get refed for obvious reasons. Thankfully, that dude was a super chill cop. If you just cooperate, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get let go, dude. And I've been pulled over, I don't know, like 10 times probably, and I've only gotten 2 tickets. Like, I'm telling you guys, just whenever you get pulled over, if you do, especially here in Cali, just cooperate. But yeah, guys, this car's gonna go away until the lip is painted, hopefully within the next week. Let's go ahead and put this car away. Alright guys, gonna hop in my mom's stock car. I'm gonna grab something to eat. I'm actually gonna pass by where the cop was at. Let's see if he's still there. Can't pull me over in this one, buddy. Literally got pulled over like right there. Literally, dude, like 2 minutes away from my house. It's funny though. Now I know, bro. I'm not gonna drive that car bumperless. That makes me want to get a mid-mount kit, guys. So like I could hide it better. It could be like, oh, I'm just intake and exhaust, right, type of thing. Let's see if he's still there where he was initially. So I was coming this way, just cruising, literally driving super slow. He was hidden in this like little driveway right here, or a little whatever that is, little parking lot, with his lights off. So I was like, oh, he's probably like eating lunch from like Popeyes or something, you know what I mean, like on his break. So I wasn't really sweating it, and like right when I passed him, he got right behind me. I was like, oh well. It's funny though, because he didn't even turn on his lights. Like he just followed me with the lights off. I'm assuming he probably was hoping that I didn't see him and that I did something dumb. Alright guys, gonna end this night with some Taco Bell. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys get it whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.